Surprising your audiences with a unique visual twist during a presentation may help your slideshow stand out. And one method is to include a moving video background in one of your PowerPoint slides. This is while giving a presentation, you may pause on a slide to speak with the audiences or discuss the slide's contents. And when you do this, you'll generally want the clip to continue playing regardless of how long it is. To add video clips for motion background in PowerPoint, launch first Microsoft PowerPoint and open one of your presentations. Move to the ribbon and click the Insert tab, and then click Video to open the Insert Video window. This window will display your hard drive's files and folders, and double-click a video you'd like to use as your slide's background. And then click the Send to Back item to place the video behind the slide's other objects. Then in the Ribbon's Video Tools section, click Playback, and then click the Loop Until Stop checkbox to place a checkmark there. Click the Start drop-down box, then select automatically if you want the video to play when the slide appears. Add additional objects to the slide as needed, and they will appear on top of the video because you set the video as the slide's background. And that's how you can add video clips for motion background in PowerPoint. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.